Why should I be serious? Why should I look the way you want me to look? That's why I tell you, I smile. But my smiling is too dangerous. And I laugh. My laughing is too dangerous. And I joke. My joke is too dangerous. And I